Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Ford Explorer. It's a simple process that brings great convenience, especially on cold mornings or hot afternoons. First, make sure all your vehicle doors are securely locked. Then, find the remote start button on your key fob. It often has a circular arrow with a 2x symbol. Press this button twice in quick succession, within about 3 seconds to activate the system. Your Explorer's exterior lights will flash twice, confirming the engine has started. Once remote started, your Ford Explorer will typically run for a duration of 5, 10, or 15 minutes, depending on your vehicle's settings. This allows the cabin to reach a comfortable temperature. If your Explorer has automatic climate control, it can be configured to activate, or it will simply maintain the last settings. Need more time? You can extend the remote start duration once by repeating the initial steps, giving you a total run time of up to 30 minutes before you need to enter the vehicle. There are a few important conditions for your remote start to function correctly. The hood must be fully closed, and the transmission must be in the park position. The system will not engage if the alarm is triggered or if the vehicle's battery voltage is too low. If your remote start fails, the horn might sound, or a red light on your key fob may blink. A common troubleshooting tip is to check your key fob battery, as a weak battery can sometimes prevent the signal from reaching your Explorer. After your Ford Explorer has been remote started and the cabin is comfortable, it's time to get in and drive. Simply unlock the doors, enter the vehicle, and ensure all doors are closed. To take full control, firmly press the brake pedal. Then, press the engine start button or turn the ignition key to the on position. This action fully engages all vehicle systems, including the radio and power windows, allowing you to safely and comfortably begin your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.